Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the tutorial settings in Crusader Kings III. First, open settings. Do so by pressing this button here, or by pressing the escape button and the settings button while inside the game. Then make sure you're in the game subsection. Here, scroll down to the tutorial settings. Now you can toggle if to show suggestion, show relative advice, or you can reset reactive advice. If you are already quite learned in the game mechanics, you can turn those off and tap OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.